Hi, my name is Carolina and today I'm going to show you how to use our design kits. I'll use Crypto Techno Design Kit as an example in this demo. So the purpose of our kits is to provide you inspiration and help you jumpstart your design project no matter what you are designing. The design kits comes in a website version, the Figma source file, and a PDF file. So once you download the kit from our website, just go to Figma and drag and drop the file onto your dashboard. Let's open the design kit. And as you can see, we have Start Canvas. Also, we have assets on the left. We have text styles on the right that you can use and color styles. So let me show you how to use these kits. So here we go. Have fun with these kits and good luck with creating interesting designs.